I spent 3 days at the Kwandwe Game Reserve in South Africa, and during that time was able to observe many different types of animals who have survived for millions of years. And the big impression that I came away with was not just the beauty of these animals, but the beauty of their cultural norms, their societal rules that have served them for generations to generations to generations. For instance, by most of the animals that exist here in South Africa, the young males are pushed out of the family in a teenage sort of years to allow them to become an adult and then to be raised essentially by the elders of the herd or elders of the pride. Now, this is a situation that some cultures still practice, especially in some of the natural cultures. The idea of pushing a young male out into the wilderness and then going through his own experiences, coming back as an adult to the tribe. It exists a little bit in the Jewish culture, the idea of a bar mitzvah at the age of 12, but mostly lost in Western society. And I've spoken about this before, but there are some organizations who are trying to bring this concept back into human culture, allowing the children to break bonds with their parents and form bonds with mentors and elders within the community, being able to stand on their own 2 feet and not being connected by an umbilical cord through adulthood. One of these organizations that I've mentioned before is the Mankind Project in the United States, which does this for many young men and older men who were not properly welcomed into adulthood by their parents. Today, that young men aren't given the opportunity to find self-confidence outside of the family and to create their own self outside of the bounds of their parents. Of course, the other thing that I observed was the unbelievable care and love that mothers give to their newborn children and how they teach them to stand on their own 4 feet and to learn how to take care of themselves, learn how to hunt, learn how to watch for danger, and to join into the herd or the pride so that they one day can be a mother and be a proper mother for their children.